Bye, Dada.
Bye,
Quinn, you want to wave bye to Dada?
Bye. Okay.
Quinn's making an owl. There's the wings. This is going to be the body. I'm going to put eyes. Just like a real owl. Whoa, Owl's watching you. Painting his body all brown. And he's concentrating so hard on her owl. Make it look just like the real one. A very good little painter. Painter with a ponytail. It's washable paint. Mama, wash it off. You get on your face? I'll wash it off. It's such a nice brown color. Feathers. It's okay. You're getting it on that arm now. We're painting in our sleeper for a reason. Making owl stamps. Stamp, stamp. Good try. Put an owl up in a tree. Press once hard. Very good. Beautiful. Thanks, babe. Watch mommy. Tap, 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 and then one stick. Owl.
Mama.
You do it. Tap, tap, tap. Good. Don't get mad. It's okay. Yeah! You did it! A new paper? Oh, frustration. Here, try it on the back. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah! It's a stamp. An owl. Huh. Easy. It's easy. And he's concentrating so hard on her owl. Make it look just like the real one. Quinn, do you want to wear your new kitty shirt from Aunt Gail? Oh. Quick, lay down. Let's put it on. Kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Let's put on your new pink kitty shirt. Oh. Whoop, whoop. Did you just throw a shirt on the floor?
Sure.
Let's see how this looks. Quinn, look! You're so beautiful. Kitty shirt. Woo! Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Bye.